Kru bro, aka physics class bila ada biaya approach kata ila occurrence pangka reflection of light dai. Ti shobing occurrence pangka reflection of light pa ila ada biaya occurrence pangka light chuan engkong. Ila ada define ya ka light but ila occurrence ru pangki luminous but ki non-luminous bodies. Luminous bodies ki bodies kum bulb apor bila supply electricity ka si but ki keluar ki balaban penmi la ka jong jeng shai. Non-luminous bodies pat ki jai bodies ki bamlaban penmi la ka jong jeng shai kum molong mengi ki breu, kum molong ka ding ki mau buat kum tatar tinggal ekran rush pang transparent, translucent but opaque objects. Pani ekran rush pang ka reflection of light ba kadang arjat ka reflection of light. Kawai ki ka regular reflection ka bagi khot uya ka ka specular reflection. Pas kawai pat ka irregular reflection ka bagi khot ya ka ru ka diffuse reflection tinggal ada learn bang yo ki objects kam tami non-luminous objects namar ba kadang ka reflection of light. Klam ka reflection of light ni numla ban ki ki luminous objects kum ka si ka bala ban penmi la ka jong jing shai nani bulb apor bingila supply electricity nila ban ki namar bale bikila ban penmi la ka jong jing shai ka tu ka sup ban su thu ki penmi la ka jong jing shai ta ka daw yo ki dai kum yang ki bre ki bamla ban penmi la ka jong jing shai kum no ngi yo ya la dia dan kum no ngi yo ki mau ki dien dai namar bakal light ka bami na ki luminous bodies ka let to ki non-luminous bodies but nang tu pat ka sha reflect ai ki non-luminous bodies ki khat jongi na kata ka daw ngi sala ban ki non-luminous bodies. Okay, the reflection of light is very important to understand. Okay, the reflection of light pat mdei baka shu jia klem ki rules kada dan lagi jong ki laws lagi jong ki rules baka haban buat but matara singi ni le spang ki laws of reflection of light. Ting ni consider hang ni you way ball light hang ni. I'm not so good in drawing, so please forgive me. So this is a bulb, okay? We need ball light hang ni. But suppose you supply electricity, you need bulb hang ni. But pila ban imagine ba ka light ka bami you bulb, it goes in all directions, in all possible directions, Te hang ni suppose kini di ray of light ki bami you bulb. Nga thai pila ikan mas pang rays of light ila ikan pang jong kiro. Kini di rays of light ki bami you bulb, Many rays of lights in all possible directions. Ti hang ni ini syam tang way ray. Tang bangin su thu ikini ki laws of reflection of light. Nginom syam ikini baro ki rays. In syam tang way ray. Let us choose one ray from here. I'll choose this one, okay? Kan syam tang way ray ni. Ti ang chu draw shwa ka madan hang ni. Let's say kala banum de ga madan la ban any surface lu ka belong opaque but ka belong non-luminous. Okay, non-luminous. Bulam to me jing shine la dia. It can be anybody. It can be a mirror. It can be the ground, it can be anything. Kani ka surface ni. Let's say an opaque surface. Alright? To. Tingin syam iguni way ray of light nang ni. To. Bu travel shidu syam ni. But pingkan mau ba ray of light borobor travel in a straight line ni ulong kum ni. Ban ni haban ID arrow, ban pen iba uni ray of light one ong ni bulb ulai chika di ka surface ni. Kani kadi ko opaque surface. Ngatrai pinang kan mau opaque surface kadi ka surface ka bamsha ay ka light bakan ya ang bajong ka Katu di ko opaque surface. Ti kan dia ting khu bakani lada uni ray of light dia ting khu uni bakani ko opaque surface kan jayu ina atip mentaba kan sha reflect. Uni ray of light don sha reflect. Sha reflect kan ka direction sini sedian biang. Okay, so ya katu kiong ka reflection of light. Ngatrai pinang kan mau kan ya. Mana try pinang kan mauru ba yang new ray of light bukan new bulb yang im tu yang incident ray an chu ni yang incident ray INCIDENT but you ni bisa reflect pan ngatrai pinang kan mau ni ru unique yang reflected ray. Okay, but ini point beting ku ni incident ray, but ni reflected ray. Ini point pan yang point of incidence. Tengah cuba hang tu mah. POINT point of incidence. Okay, ngan cuba lagi jangan box pi itu hang tu. So that is the reflected ray. Itu point yang point of incidence. Itu. And then uni ray to the incident ray. Okay. Dia Na ini point of incidence part ngin draw wave line ubayat best ti lor ubasna ka angle belong 90 degree ba kanika surface ni ma. Tingin draw itu line nang ni. Nan draw na do line rong blue pi itu. Ta. Okay. So ka angle jong new line bajong kanika surface kadi kendai 4 degree ka tu yang melong perpendicular dai. But you new line is I kerteng way normal to the normal. Okay. Take a first law jong ka reflection of light kalong kum ni. Kong the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Nya ban pe chwa ka igata ka angle of incidence ni ka igata ka angle of reflection. Ka angle of incidence kadi kan ni. Ka angle ka basnaru incident ray bol ni normal tang doang tu. Pe incident ray ni normal ni tu ka tu ka angle basna gini ki artli. I khot kerteng ya ka angle of incidence. Ban I symbol the way do I. Ka angle ka basna do reflected ray but uni normal part. Isi I symbol do R ban I khot ya ka angle of reflection. Take a first law kong ba ka angle of incidence kalong equal ya ka angle of reflection. Kabamot subut la kani ka angle kadi 30 degree kani ka angle hang ni ru kadi benika no 30 degree. Lada kani ka angle of incidence kadi 40 degree kani ka angle hang ni ru kam kadi bandai 40 degree kam la banya pair kadi bandai bi ka ju ka jing thau ma. Tika tu kadi ka first law jong ka reflection of light. Ka second law of reflection ba kong no ka second law of reflection kong ba the incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence and the reflected ray should all lie in the same plane. Now repeat dengan itu ma. Ka second law of reflection kong ba incident ray, this is the incident ray. The normal at the point of incidence, how many point of incidence, and the reflected ray to the reflected ray, they all lie in the same plane. Like in this case, kani ka whiteboard kani ka plane amar ka don tanggal length ka breadth, that means it is a plane. Right? In this case, incident ray, normal, but reflected ray baru akidan haka ni, haka plane jong ni ka whiteboard. Right? Katung ka second law of reflection, kamla aban long ba, incident ray but reflected ray kinon lang ka jong ka plane. Suppose ko lang kamne, ngabu ya ka paper hang ni. This paper is also a plane, right? It has length and breadth. Kadon ka length, but ka breadth. Kumagadi ka plane. Tila da ngabu ya ka paper do kamne, pinapay mentah ni don artli ki plane. Kawai ka plane jong ka whiteboard, kawai ka plane jong ni ka paper. Kamla aban long bala do incident ray one ang ni kumne, nakani ka whiteboard. Unsa reflect no sa kani ka plane jong kani ka paper. Kamla aban long ba incident ray but reflected ray kinon lang ka jong ka plane kumne. Kamla aban long ba incident ray don haka whiteboard and then reflected ray don haka ni ka paper ka baphay kani ka direction. Okay. They should all be in the same plane. That means the incident ray, the normal and the reflected ray should all lie in the same plane. So that is the second law of reflection. So that is it for this video. Thank you.